Every stories, especially mythical stories, parables, have actors portraying models or archetypes of people in real life. Lahat ng alamat ay sumisimbolo sa iba't ibang uri ng katauhan sa tunay na buhay. At lahat ng modelong ito ng katauhan ay pumapaloob sa ating isip at damdamin. Yan ang mga archetypes. Carl Jung first coined the word archetypes to describe those various elements or structures in the psyche that influences an individual on how one feels, thinks, and acting out. Psyche, well, it comes from a Greek word to mean soul or spirit that gives life. Sa Tagalog, hindi lang yan kaluluwa, yan ay diwa, yan ay buhay. Kung walang diwa, pero buhay ka, walang malay. It's difficult to capture the meaning of a foreign concept using our own vernacular. To Jung, psyche is a total personality within which are the conscious, personal unconscious, and collective unconscious. Nadagdagan na naman ng foreign concept ang nakakalitong topic na ito para sa isang ordinaryong Pinoy. It's just as simple like this in Tagalog. Ako, bilang tao, sa loob ko, may isip at damdamin. At sa isip at damdamin na ito ay mga puwersang di natin wari na pumupukaw sa ating isip at damdamin. Itong puwersang ito ay maaaring nagmula sa ating karanasan. Carl Jung calls this as personal unconscious, o di kaya ay impluwensya ng ating natutunan o mga kaalamang na ibabahagi sa atin, at karamihan dito ay nagsalin-salin na mula sa iba't ibang panahon at lahi. Carl Jung calls this collective unconscious. Myths, tales, and parables are stories collectively shared with others, and its influence is on our collective unconscious. This serves as guideposts to us when needed, revealing models of personality that could possibly arise from within our collective unconscious. If we are aware of our potential of becoming, either we could harness it or tame, depending on how each of us seems it fit. So lahat ng personal unconscious at collective unconscious ay nasa loob. At pag na-trigger, lalabas at maapektuhan ang nasa isip at nadarama. Mahalagang maunawaan natin ito para maunawaan ang halaga at kahulugan ng mga alamat o kwentong sinauna. Now you know this, are you ready to study who you are, to discover what you may become in the parable of the prodigal son? But first, watch the storytelling based on this movie, Jesus of Nazareth. Once you are done watching it, proceed to your reflection. As much as possible, write down your answers and keep it. You need not share it. It is personal and confidential to you. But always make it ready for you to review as we go through this process of self-discovery. For the meantime, stay tuned to the follow-up to this reflection on the prodigal son